Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a Grove collaborative haul. I know, it's like my 4th or 5th one, maybe even 6th one, I'm not even sure. But something has lit a fire within me that has really motivated me to clean and really kind of get my crap together. I know maybe some of you have heard me talk about in previous videos, like I was trying to get organized, and you know, organizing is an ongoing process, but I just feel like there's certain things that I've been wanting to accomplish and I just have not been doing it, but this has really kind of re-inspired me to get with it. So this has really been helping. So let me go ahead and share with you what I got so we can just jump right into this. Also, I don't know how long their promotion is going on with the, if you use my link down below that I always put in all of my Grove collaborative hauls, you get a free 5-piece kit by placing a $20 order. You have to be a new customer, and you get the 2-month VIP free membership. Let's see, and the 5 products you get are the Caddy, the cleaning Caddy that I'm sure you guys have all seen. If you watched one of my previous videos, you saw that. Miss Meyers hand soap, surface spray, dish soap, and what's the 5th product? Is it the walnut scrubbers? Yeah, anyways, I don't know. That's what encouraged me to sign up. I wasn't going to have anything to do with this. And then look where I am now. So, and then once you sign up, you will get a unique referral code as well. You can share it with friends and family, and they can also help you earn credits, because you do get a little bit of a kickback when someone does order. So if you're interested, check out my link down below, and it should have more of the information. You can also click on it and just see like what it, you know, you can just click on it and see what it puts in your cart, because sometimes, like for the dish soap, like sometimes they'll just throw in a random scent. Well, you can go in and change that scent to whatever you want. Like you can get the peppermint, like the holiday scents, which I think that's what I would go for, is the limited edition holiday scents, which are pine, orange, clove, and peppermint. I love the peppermint. If you can get peppermint, go for it. All right, let's jump into this really quick and I'll show you what I got. And I'll also kind of tell you some of my favorite things that aren't new to me. So the first thing I got is this Method laundry detergent in the ginger mango scent. I have been dying to try some of this. It's a little bit pricey, but I'm gonna see. Well, actually, you know, I don't know how much pricier it is than like the stuff I'm using now, because I use, what do I use now? I use the Gain, I can't think of the scent right now, but I'm gonna compare prices and compare size and see how this works for me, see how it does. So I like how it says up there, stains should be scared. But I really like the idea of having more of like a natural scent with the ginger mango. So that's the first thing I got. So with that, I went ahead and got the fragrance boosters. I use the Gain ones right now in my laundry, and these are also in ginger mango. I really want to try the beach sage. I have the beach sage spray from Method. Oh yeah, this smells really good. This, oh, this is like fruity, but like it's not overly fruity. Oh, that's nice. Okay, I can't wait to get into the laundry with this. It's inspiring me to do laundry right now. All right. Also, I grabbed from Miss Meyers, I grabbed the Clean Day Basil dishwasher tabs. Now, it's been a while since I've used a more natural dishwasher thing, so I'm really curious to see how this goes. But what I love is like at the end of your cycle, when the, like it's steaming or whatever, it's drying, I love that the scent like throws out. So I'm gonna love that the basil is gonna be coming out of my dishwasher. So sorry about that noise, that was irritating. So I'll let you know. I will tell you what I think of everything once I've used it or whatever. So if you guys are interested. Also, okay, I'm just gonna say right from the start, these kind of stink. I'm just gonna be honest. 7th generation disinfecting wipes. So these kill 99.99% of germs botanically. So lemongrass, citrus scent. These smell like, and I looked on the back of the ingredients, and what's in here is, okay, where is it? I know I saw it. It was like thyme oil. Where does it say? Oh, come on. Oh, here we go. Thyme oil, yeah. So that's one of the things that's in there. So I think that's what's causing the smell. Now, I've never smelled thyme, I don't think, on its own. But it's the smell. Whew, you have to really be prepared for this. It does not smell like lemongrass citrus at all. So I'm going to use them. I did pull out one just to use it because I was concerned about the scent. I was like, let me see how long this lingers. But the actual wipe itself does do a pretty decent job. Like, there's a lot of product on the wipe, which is important to me because I don't want to use a wipe and then not have it do what I need it to do. You know what I mean? I don't want to use multiple wipes when I know I can just be using cleaner. So, okay, the next thing I have is the European dishcloth. Now, you guys know I have raved about these several times. So there are 2 of them in here, and you can flip it around and use the blue side to be like showing, or the yellow and the blue. I kind of like the yellow and the blue. I have mostly been using these, so I know in my previous videos I said that, like, you would think with dishcloth, you would think that you would use this to like wash dishes. I actually don't. I use this more for wiping down my counters and wiping down like surfaces. I don't really use it as a dishcloth. I really like using it as like a counter. And that's how I use my regular washcloths anyways. I never use them to wash dishes because I never feel like they're doing a great job. So that's what these are for. But I still have the exact same one that I started with, and it is still going strong. No stink. I've just been putting it in my dishwasher. Somebody asked, and I'm trying to remember your name and I can't remember right now, how you put it in the dishwasher, but it just, for some reason, the water in there, go that way. For some reason, the water weighs it down and it doesn't like rock around in your dishwasher. So really loving these. No stink yet, and I still have the same exact one. What are you looking for? What are you looking for?
I'm getting my bag.
Oh, okay. My daughter's running late for school, so I'm like, getting her up was a chore this morning. Okay, so I also have the Miss Meyers Clean Day Basil scent and the Laundry Scent Booster. I love the basil scent, so it's just, I don't know how to describe the basil scent in general. It's just something you kind of have to smell. If you want to smell it, I would say grab like a hand soap. You really can't go wrong with a hand soap, you know, because you go through hand soaps like crazy. So, or at least we do in our house. The next thing I got was actually a kit. It is the Method Antibacterial and the Bamboo All-Purpose Cleaner. And so this is also an antibacterial. I was looking for some antibacterial stuff because most of what I have now is not antibacterial. So I got that, and then with the kit, it came with the microfiber all-purpose cloth. So I was gonna get the e-cloths, but I don't know. I was just kind of like, I don't know. I can always use a microfiber cloth though. These seem pretty nice. I like the color selection as well. I love blue, so like that one's a hit for me. And then you've got this gray. So you could probably like color code them, you know, like this one for the bathroom, this one for the kitchen, this one for dusting or something. So love those. Okay, and then also I got a freebie of this mint and argan lip balm. So I already opened it up. I haven't tried it yet though. But I feel like it's gonna smell really good. So here is that mint and argan. So it's got hydrating chia seed oil. Let me just have a whiff of this and see. Oh, that does smell very minty. Oh, and that's the good mint too, not the crappy mint. So there's that. So the next thing I have is the, okay, so I have been obsessed with these Caldrea countertop sprays and the room sprays. Oh my gosh. So this is Rosewater Driftwood. I have not smelled this one yet, but I have the Pear Blossom and Agave, which smells amazing. And then also the Sea Salt and Neroli, which is more of like, to me that one smells more like a masculine scent. And I also have the Gilded Pine and Birch. I love that one too. That one is really good. It's like a sophisticated pine with the birch in there as well. Love that. So I'm not really sure what to expect with this rosewater driftwood, but I think it says on here that it is, let's see, sun-washed and light. This balances clean, watery florals like gardenia and lily of the valley with the mystery of musk grounded in whitewoods. So we'll see. So I grabbed that. And then of course I grabbed some more towels. So I grabbed some in fog gray. I'm seriously loving these towels. Like, they are so big that you can use them as dish mats if you want to. Like if you want to put your dishes to dry, they're super huge. And they are, what does this say on here? Oh, organic. Oh, I didn't even know these were organic. Oh, that's nice. Okay, so these are organic. That's good. They've been holding up really well. Of course, that remains to be seen. You know, all towels kind of work well in the beginning, and then it's later on when you start to find out how long they're going to last. So we'll see about those. But those, I'm loving the other towels that I have. They are super nice. So also before the scent went out of stock, I was able to grab the Miss Meyers Clean Day and the apple cider scent. I don't usually burn candles, but I thought, you know what, I'm just gonna grab some and see how they work, like in the bathroom, or just gonna try them out. I haven't warmed a candle in a really long time, so I grabbed 2 of those because I love the apple cider scent. I should have grabbed a peppermint, but whatever. And then I also grabbed a basil scent as well, so I've got that one. And so I'm gonna try this probably in another bathroom. Ah, the basil is just, it's such a unique scent. It's kind of clean and kind of crisp. It's got like a little bit of a bite to it. I don't know if that makes any sense. Okay. And then I also got, for some reason I got another free Caddy. I guess that was the freebie for the day or whatever, or the week or whatever they're doing. So I have another red Caddy, and I need to scratch off that little mark right there. But anyways, so I got another Caddy, which you can't have too many Caddies. I mean, you can fill one up for like, have one for your living room, have one for your bathroom, you know, that kind of thing. Also, you guys know I've been diffusing oils lately, so I wanted to try a few of their essential oils, and the 2 I really wanted to try was the Awake, which is an enlivening blend, and this has bergamot oil, orange oil, lime oil, grapefruit oil, and lemon oil. Sorry, I've been really busy this morning and my hands are like really shaky. I need to eat. Oh, and that smells just like a citrus. That's like a citrus with a little bit of that bergamot. I need to look up the scent notes for bergamot because I never know if bergamot is like citrus or... It's very citrus, but it's not overly citrus. It's not like, I don't know. I like it. So there's that. And then also I have the Purify scent, which I saw from someone else that they really liked this one. This one, oh my gosh, this one is amazing. I love anything with peppermint oil in it. And this one has peppermint, eucalyptus, hyssop oil. I've never heard of that. Rosemary oil. So this one, oh man, that peppermint comes out very top. And then you kind of get the other oils, but that peppermint is the best. I think I'm really gonna like this one. Okay, and then I have 2 things that aren't from Grove, but I just thought since it's kind of like a cleaning / like house haul, I'd go ahead and throw these in. So I picked these up from Walmart, and I thought they were the cutest things. So I already use a microfiber drying mat, and I've been needing to replace mine for a while because it just kind of gets, like, they get yucky after a while, even after you like wash them. So these are Pioneer Woman, I think. Oh no, they're Mainstays. I thought there were some Pioneer Woman ones. I must have picked up the wrong ones because I was looking for Pioneer Woman, but I guess Mainstays makes them too. So there's this like print. It's a 2-pack and then just gray. So, or is that gray? Like a beige. Yeah, a grayish. So yeah, I love these. I got rid of I was so tired of those gosh darn drying racks, like those huge ones with the wires on them and all that. I mean, they just took up so much counter space, and then you never knew what to do with them, like when you were done, like when they were empty. It's like you had to find a huge spot to try to find them. And so I really love the drying mats. It just makes things a little bit easier. And then also I grabbed a OXO Good Grips. This came from either Walmart or Target, I can't remember. So this has a, like, you can put dish soap in it, and then this scrubby brush looks super intense. So I really love that because, you know, sometimes you need to really get in there and get those things. It looks like it has a replaceable head. Oh yeah, slide on new brush refill. So you can refill the brush. That's nice. I love it when they do that. OXO is a good brand too. So, oh, it says soap on demand. That's funny. So I like when they make the reusable, you know, things that you can just buy one part. And then the last thing, I don't really know where this came from, but I don't know. It's just some Hex Performance Advanced Single Dose Detergent. So it's for activewear, so I'll probably use this for my husband's like gym clothes. Well, actually I can use it on any of us because we all wear gym stuff. So I feel like this is supposed to be better, like it's supposed to be better for the environment. But anyways, that's that. Okay, I think that was everything. I think that is everything. So hopefully I didn't go through anything too quick, but you guys know I will come back and do like reviews on anything, or if you have any questions about anything, just let me know. And as always, if you do end up signing up or whatever and you want to let me know like what you ordered or what you're thinking about ordering, just comment down below. Yeah, so, and if you if you've ordered before and you've gotten some amazing products, let me know what you're loving right now, because always, you know, always on the lookout for bigger and better. Well, not bigger and better, but you know what I mean, better products. So yeah, so far I've been pretty happy with everything I've gotten. There's really been nothing except for these 7th generation wipes. I'm not too, like, I don't know how I feel about those yet. And I haven't seen any really good antibacterial wipes. I mean, I could probably just make my own essential oil spray and call it a day, but it's nice to have a wipe when you need to go in and just clean really fast. So I don't know. If you guys have any suggestions for that, I'd love to know. All right, so that is it, you guys. Thank you so much again for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you for spending a moment with me and just taking time out of your day. And I love when you guys comment. And yeah, just in general, I always say I love you guys, but I always feel like that feels so weird, but you guys know what I mean. Okay, I'll talk to you guys later and see you in my next video. Bye, guys.